If you're wondering how you can set the camera flash to on, off, or auto on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the camera app, then tap on the 6 dots over here. And once you do that, you will open this menu on the screen. Now to change the modes of the camera flash, just tap on the flash icon over here. As you can see, it is currently on the auto option. But if you tap on the flash icon, you will change the flash mode to always on. And in this mode, the camera flash will remain always on. Just like that. And if you tap on this icon one more time, you will go to always off. And in this mode, the camera flash will remain always off. And finally, you have the option of auto. And if you tap on it one more time, the camera flash will go to the automatic mode. And in this mode, your iPhone will intelligently detect when to turn on the camera flash for optimal image quality. And this is how you can set the camera flash to on, off, or auto on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.